Alright y'all, so we're going to make a real quick video. I'm deleting the oil sensor. I'm getting rid of this toggle switch. I'm switching to this Amazon one. The reviews said it would be backwards because of them both having two terminals like this. So I'm just going to use the black one, plug it in, and use this one as a ground like it is over there on that other one. The green one's a ground and the red one's a bullet connector. But I'm gonna have to cut this ground off and use that because I don't have any. Yeah, we're pretty much 8mm bolt here, 8mm bolt up right here for this ground slides out. Taking the oil sensor out, we're gonna cut it flush. Let me see if I can get a better angle. Here's a better angle. We're gonna cut this flush because that's the oil sensor. We don't want it turning off on us. So we're gonna remove this and get back to you. Okay, now the next step for me to do is there's this wire that goes back underneath the gas tank. That's your coil wire. That's the wire that you're gonna be plugging in your bullet connector to. It's kind of hard to get this bullet connector out one-handed. Let me get that out. So now we got the bullet connector out. If you wanna remain using this switch on like a go-kart or something for like an extra safety to make sure that like you can turn it on, keep this plugged in and just use this female socket and plug it into there and keep this ground. But I'm not gonna be using this. So we're getting rid of this completely. I'm just gonna leave it there so that way we don't get dust inside. But we're gonna cut this off here because we're using the coil wire. I'm gonna cut this off because we're using that. I'm gonna show you guys the new kill switch routed. Alright boys, so we deleted the oil sensor. That got snipped at the very edge right there. I snipped the ground bolt. I attached it to my kill switch, got my kill switch mounted. I decided to do the green for the bullet and the black for the ground. And it is backwards, on is off and off is on. So, yay. But I'm gonna snip this so that way I have extra bullet connectors. And just keep this there so that way, you know, it doesn't get dust in there. And I used the bolt from the oil sensor for the ground up here on the gas tank thing. But yeah, if you guys found this video helpful and you use this style, let me know down in the comments. And it is kind of really rigged up weird, but that's full cocked on this way, and there's kind of tension on it, but not really. I can move it around, so we're chilling. But appreciate every single one of you guys that watched this video. Watch to the end. Drop a comment, like, subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace. And just to prove to you guys, not that I had to prove anything, but to show you guys that the green into the coil, the black for the ground works. First pull. Off is on is off. So, oh shit. Shit works, bud.